श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नामने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशितारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। My pranams to my dear Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Modi ji, our dearmost Governor of the Maharashtra Radhakrishnan ji, our dearmost Chief Minister Fadnavis ji and Eknath Shinde ji, and our dearmost devotee and a Sansad of Mathura who is on the manch. My namans to all of you for consenting to be with us. मेरे हृदय की जो सीमा है बहुत कम है, मगर आपने मेरे हृदय की प्रसन्नता की सीमा को आज बहुत ही आगार बना दिया है और विस्तृत कर दिया। मैं जानता हूं कि आप इस प्रांगण में आए हैं, मगर इस आने का उद्देश्य आपका संबंध अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कृष्ण भावना के साथ, श्रील प्रभुपाद जी के साथ और हमारे गुरुदेव गोपाल कृष्ण गोस्वामी के साथ एक अटूट संबंध था। 3 decades in Gujarat and 3 decades in governing this center. You are our dearmost Prime Minister. I always say that you are king of the kings, but along with that king is Raja Rishi. You are a Rishi also. Thousands of years back, this Bharat Bhumi was governed by Parikshit Maharaj, and after that there was a great lapse. And after so many years we have a right Prime Minister on the state. That's called Hastinapur. And it's Krishna's mercy, it's a blessing of Krishna that you have been there, and under your leadership we have achieved many heights in the world, and all the leaders bow down at your feet. Your compassion, your love for your Bharatavarsha is unparalleled because you are our Prime Minister. We have seen other Prime Ministers, they love dogs. But my Prime Minister is cow premi. He loves cows. That's how he nurtures the cows in his Prime Minister house also. And wherever ISKCON centers have been established by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, they throng to receive you, and they do the kirtan. And the latest was when you showed your presence in Kharghar, and you gave us anumati to lead the kirtan. And when we saw you leading the kirtan with the devotees, we fell at your feet instantly. Because when a leader of your stature catches the cymbals and recites the holy name, that gives us so much of energy. And why not? Because you said to the world that you have nothing to offer except Bhagavad Gita. That shows your austerity, that shows your commitment for Sanatana Dharma. We are not opposed to any dharma, but Sanatana Dharma is the epitome of all the religions. We bow down to you, Prime Minister. You have love for Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, and he was the visionary of this wonderful project, and I assisted him in completing and assisting him this project. This is called Glory of Maharashtra, a Vedic educational and cultural center where we have Vedic college, we have Ayurvedic center, which our dear Prime Minister promulgated Ayush Bharat. And we, my dear Prime Minister, we have launched this scheme from this Glory of Maharashtra project. And so many wonderful cultural centers, art galleries, glorification of the saints of India, and so many other things are in this project. I bow down to you for your humility to the nation. I bow down to your persona because you are a pratik of Sanatana Dharma. On this day, I will not forget all the Varish devotees who are sitting in this arena who have every praise for you. And I will not forget about those donors who have acted in this place as a steering committee member. Our dear Sansad Hima ji is also a steering committee of this project. Ashok Hinduja ji from Ashok Foundation, Hinduja Foundation, Shashikiran Bhai Shetty from Alcargo, Vasu Shroff from Dubai, Anil Gupta ji, Dilip Lakhi ji, and the list goes on. Anand Rathi ji, they're all sitting and adoring you from down. And I only have to beg my donors, please bear with us, because you are part of this glorification. You are not separate from me, and I'm not separate from you. It's because of your contributions we could offer to our dear Prime Minister Glory of Maharashtra. It's your hard-earned money which you offer to Prabhupada. You have faith in ISKCON. You have faith in all the devotees of ISKCON all over the world. And that's why these corporate world people are always offering their services to Srila Prabhupada. My intense desire is when you will give us a sanction to make a wonderful temple in Srinagar, where we can see that we have a wonderful project there. In Jammu, in Srinagar, we'd like to do that because Sanatana Dharma doesn't hate anybody. Sanatana Dharma embraces everybody. अगर कोई हमको पत्थर भी मारता है तो हम उसको पुष्प समझ के अपने जीवन में धारण करते हैं, और अगर कोई कुछ भी करता है फिर भी मगर हम प्रसन्नचित मुद्रा में सबको गले लगाते हैं. ये भारत का एक ऐसा देश है, और इसी देश के असली जो रूपांतर हमारे प्रधानमंत्री के नीचे हो रहा है, मैं उनकी शत शत नमन करते हुए आप सबसे निवेदन करता हूं कि एक उद्घोष उनकी प्रसन्नता के लिए करें. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. आपके समक्ष आपके अनुज देवेंद्र फडणवीस, एकनाथ जी शिंदे, हमारे प्रिय गवर्नर, उनको भी मेरा नमन, क्योंकि जहां पर मैं खड़ा रहता हूं उनका साथ हर पल रहता है, हर पल रहता है. ऐसा समय कभी महाराष्ट्र में नहीं आया है. मैं 48 इयर्स में इस महाराष्ट्र की भूमि में अपने भिक्षा याटन करते हुए प्रचार कर रहा हूं, मगर ऐसा समय मैंने कभी देखा नहीं है. यस और नो? हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे। मैं अपनी वाणी को यही विराम देता हूं। समय की संकुचितता के होने के कारण मेरा आधा घंटे के बाद मेरा गला गर्म हो जाता है, मगर अपने गले को विराम देते हुए मैं यहीं पे अपने आप को स्टॉप कर देता हूं और नमन करता हूं। आशा करता हूं कि आप बारंबार अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कृष्ण भावना संघ के भक्तों का जो हृदय लिबाते हैं वो तत्पर रहते हैं आपकी सेवा के लिए। हरे कृष्ण।